Docks Marine opens 7 days a week from 8 to 5. Sales, rental, service, all in one place. It's at Docks Marine, 5803 Eichard Ridge Road.
Welcome back into the WHKY News. I'm Ralph Mangum, and this is Community Focus. WHKY's Arianna Mack and her guests have the latest from the Western Piedmont Symphony.
Join Western Piedmont Symphony for a weekend full of fun, starting out with Masterworks Beethoven's Fifth Symphony on Saturday, November 9th from 7:30 to 9:30 p.m. Then on Sunday, November 10th, Discovery Family Concert, Robots, Machines, and Music. Earlier, I spoke with Maestro of the Western Piedmont Symphony, Matthew Troy, and Tracy Hall, Executive Director for the Catawba Science Center.
Coming up this weekend, the Western Piedmont Symphony actually has two concerts. So first, our Masterworks concert on November 9th, Saturday, 7:30 p.m. at P.E. Monroe Auditorium on the campus of Lenoir-Rhyne University. We have Beethoven's magnificent Fifth Symphony on the program. So if you've never seen that live, you definitely owe yourself the opportunity to see that work. Also, we have not one soloist, but two soloists joining together for Brahms' Double Concerto. And we also have a little short work that opens the program by Johann Sebastian Bach. So it's a really thrilling program of symphonic music this weekend. And then on Sunday, we have our wonderful Discovery concert for kids and families. And the theme is Robots, Machines, and Music. And we are so excited about our partnership with the Catawba Science Center for this concert.
And Tracy, how does the Catawba Science Center come into play?
Well, we have formed this wonderful partnership with the Western Piedmont Symphony so that we can reach families and allow families to bring children to see a full symphonic concert. Often kids get to see parts and pieces of the symphony, but this is an opportunity to see them all perform together on stage.
And what other details can you give us?
The concert will start off with activities out in the lobby area and out front of the building. We will have drones, we will have the Hickory Battle competitors doing demonstrations, we will have gaming and all kinds of things that relate to robotics.
And Matt, on the music side, what will we hear?
So we're going to hear music that's really been inspired by robots, machines, and music. So we'll actually be featuring a little bit of Beethoven's music because there's always like this energetic drive in his music. But also we're going to be featuring things like John Williams' Scherzo for Motorcycle from Indiana Jones. We're going to be featuring music from Apollo 13. We're going to be featuring music about trains. So it's a really thrilling chance for young people to come out, experience the symphony, get to know the Science Center, and learn about their upcoming AI exhibit, and also just have a great time on a Sunday afternoon with the symphony.
So we're really excited that the concert will kick off with activities that the Western Piedmont Symphony and the Science Center have collaborated to bring to people to enjoy. We will have the music start at 3 o'clock, but there will still be interactive things that happen along with the concert, so you don't want to miss that part. There's some really exciting robotics and the bot battles. There will be an on-stage battle, something really exciting to witness, along with the symphonic music.
And you can get tickets at wpsymphony.org. Again, the Robots, Machines, and Music concert is this Sunday, November 10th. Concert starts at 3 p.m. The lobby activities start at 2 p.m. Tickets are $5 for kids and then go up to $14 for adults. And again, you can get more info at wpsymphony.org.
Discover musical adventures of live symphonic music and explore where music and science meet in a concert of fun and familiar music and songs. For more information, visit westernpiedmontsymphony.org. I'm Arianna Mack for WHKY.
Thank you, Arianna, and thanks to Matthew Troy and Tracy Hall as well. Materials from a construction project will be used to repair roads damaged by Tropical Storm Helene. Rob Eastwood explains.
A contractor for the North Carolina Department of Transportation was scheduled to resume blasting operations related to a bridge replacement project on North Carolina 105 in Watauga County. Crews will then haul rock remnants from the blasting for use on roads damaged by Hurricane Helene. Crews from Wright Brothers Construction began mobilizing to the construction zone at the intersection of North Carolina 105 and Broadstone Road on Tuesday. You're looking at that intersection on the map on the screen right now. They were scheduled to resume operations to replace the bridge on North Carolina 105 over the Watauga River this week. Over the coming weeks, crews will take rock from the work site to stockpile it at a central location so other crews can use the material to rebuild slopes, shoulders, and roads damaged by the hurricane. The contractor will resume short closures of North Carolina 105 for blasting operations. They will briefly close a portion of 105 north of the river, just long enough to execute blasting and remove debris from 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. Tuesdays through Thursdays. Traffic impact is expected to be minimal. You can get more information on this by going to our website, WHKY.com. Reporting for WHKY News, I'm Rob Eastwood.
Thank you, Rob. That'll do it for Community Focus today. On behalf of Arianna, Mack, Rob Eastwood, Jason Savage, Matthew Troy, and Tracy Hall, I'm Ralph Mangum. This has been the WHKY News.